Let's put this remote control case together, Ranger Rocky. You're welcome. Try it out. Cool! The case will come in handy for animal rescue mission. See you around, Junior Rangers. Bye, Ranger Rocky. Look at this mess. We should put these tools away, Leo. Sure, Katie. How did that get in there? Whoa! That's not a bone, Hero. Hey, Hero! No! Oh, hi, Junior Ranger Kyle. How are you today? Back, Hero. Hi, Leo. Sorry, I'm just so tired. I was sleeping in a tree in the Tasmanian forest, but there's a high-pitched screech coming from somewhere. And now all the animals are stressed and jumpy. Did you say a loud, high-pitched screech? Yeah, I'm calling because I can't tell which animal makes the screech. And I can't locate it either because it's coming from all directions. That's strange. It started a while, but I'm worried, Leo. Can you help me identify the animal? I saw a recording of it. Aha! Got it! What was that sound, Leo? That screech was heard in the Tasmanian forest last night. Cal is unsure which animal it comes from. I can run the recording through the computer to find out more. Awesome. Did you hear that, Kyle? Katie says you... Kyle! Kyle! What did I miss? Kyle will run the recording and we'll update you once we find anything. Ranger out. See you later, Hero. Let's see what animal the screech belongs to. The computers aren't able to identify the animal because there's too much echo in the recording. As we remove the echo and amplify the audio, there, the screech belongs to a Tasmanian devil. That's a scary name for an animal who looks so cute. Well, they're not exactly cute and cuddly, Leo. Tasmanian devils are easily angered when they're threatened or in fighting for food. They'll show their teeth and growl, making the sound we just heard. Do you think the Tasmanian devil was fighting for food all night long? I don't think so, Leo. The Tasmanian might be in trouble. There could be a cry for help. In that case, Kate, we should go check it out. Hi, Kyle. Are you feeling better? Yeah, that splash of water on my face, I feel worried now. Did you find anything? Guess what? The screech belongs to a Tasmanian devil. He has to remove the echo for the computer to identify it. Echo? No, we're not going to tell it belongs to a Tasmanian devil. We could be in trouble. We're coming to Tasmania to find it. Ranger out. Let's go to Tasmania and help that Tasmanian devil and transfer his home. See you downstairs, Ranger Leo, all set. Woohoo! Woo! Junior Rangers to the rescue! Blunderbuss 1, activate! Here we go! Hi guys, welcome to Tasmania! Hi Kyle, the screecher have stopped for a while now, so maybe the Tasmanian devil left. Could that be the Tasmanian devil? Hero knows where it's coming from. Wait for us, Hero. A burrow? Wait for us, Hero. That's not a Tasmanian devil. It's a wombat. That's what you get for dashing into someone's home, Hero. That's it. That's where I heard all night. Wow, you're right. It does sound like it's coming from everywhere. I'll scan the area using my audio frequency sensor. Found it. Good job, Katie. Let's head over there right now. It's coming from over there. Be careful, Katie. Watch out. Thanks, Leo. Look, it's the Tasmanian devil. Whoa, that's deep. The Tasmanian devil is trapped. That's why he's calling out all night. We have to help get him out. There has to be a way. That might work. Here, Tasmanian devil. Grab hold of the stick. I more, Kyle. Besides, that looks dangerous. Just a little more. Ah, gotcha. Ranger Rocky. Thank you for telling me, Ranger Rocky. You have to be more careful, Junior Ranger. Look. Whoa, yup. That's a Tasmanian devil. All right. Tasmanian devils has powerful jaws with sharp teeth. They have an extremely strong bite. In fact, it's so strong it's able to bite through metal wires. And Tasmanian devils are also known to eat a lot. They especially likes to eat meat. It is wise not to get too close to a Tasmanian devil. We have to get the Tasmanian devil out, but we can't get too close to it. And Ranger Rocky mentioned that they eat a lot. I got it. We can put some food in the cage and lure the Tasmanian devil. Then we close the door with a remote and transport him back to his home. Great idea, Leo. Does anybody have any food? Nope, not me. Oh, I've got some hero snacks. Let's see if it will work. I don't think the Tasmanian devil wants hero snacks. But Hero does. As I said, the Tasmanian devil loves to eat meat. Meat? I just remember, I got some meat pies in my ATV. Meat pies! That's what I said before in the bush. A little more to the left. You're nearly there. Touchdown! All clear. It's working. He's going in. Huh? Why won't it shut? What's going on, Katie? The Tasmanian devil is almost done eating the meat pie. What's that? Oh, it's Hero's saliva from this morning. That's why the remote control's acting funny. Got it. Oh no, I'm too late. It's okay, Katie. We could try again with another meat pie. But we don't have any left. Ranger Rocky, do we have any meat pies left? Sorry, Leo, I'm all out. Kyle? Nope. No, Hero, don't eat that. We need that meat pie to save the Tasmanian devil. Hero, no. Hero's not eating him. He's helping us. Quick, Katie, open the cage door. Good job, Hero. Yes, we did it. I think that's his way of saying thanks. You're welcome. Mission accomplished. I'm glad we managed to shift the Tasmanian devil and transport him back to his home. Hero, we're having another meat pie. Woo! Good job, children. You are amazing wildlife rangers.